Our high-quality wire starts with premium copper. With 58 years of experience, we specialize in high-quality electrical wire production. Using high-conductivity copper rods, precisely drawn and annealed for optimal flexibility and performance. Advanced stranding technology ensures strength and durability. Our insulation and sheathing made from top-grade PVC materials are extruded at high speed for excellent heat resistance, flame retardancy, and environmental safety. Each meter of wire undergoes rigorous electrical testing, compliant with IEC and standards, and so on. For dependable wire solutions, choose the partner you can rely on. Choose us!